What's the meaning of atonality? Atonality. Atonality.
Atonality. Atonality. Atonality is a term used in music to describe a lack of traditional tonal harmony or a disregard for the principles of tonality. It refers to music that avoids establishing a key center or tonal center and instead relies on dissonance and chromaticism to create tension and interest. Atonal music can be challenging for listeners as it lacks the familiar patterns and structures found in tonal music, and can often sound chaotic or unpredictable. However, atonality has been an important aspect of modern classical music, influencing a wide range of composers and styles.